Welcome to PC Gaming Questions, where I read a question and I give you the answer. Is building a PC cheaper than buying a pre-built? Of course, building a PC is cheaper than buying a pre-built. You don't have to pay for the labor or the markup on parts. Sometimes you can get really good deals on previously used parts to save a lot of money. That being said, there's some things that do come with the pre-builts. Depending on who you buy from, they do come with like a 3-year warranty. So if something happens within those 3 years, you will be covered. You can send your unit back or your parts back and they'll just replace them. If you build your own, then now you're accountable for all the warranty forms and sending it back and getting it back. If you buy used, sometimes you might get something that's bad. Guess what? You're not going to easily find the person to give you a refund. At least with a pre-built, you're kind of covered in that sense. But of course, I'm always going to recommend, if you do feel like you can do it, I will always say to build your own computer. It is actually an experience that I wish everybody could experience. The learning process, the gratification of doing it yourself, the feeling when you press that power button and it just turns on and works. It's an amazing feeling. But with that also comes the feeling of stress and anxiety if something does go wrong. Just make sure you educate yourself on how to troubleshoot things. And plus now we have this thing called the interweb that, we can kind of just look everything up and try to troubleshoot ourselves. Tech community is very welcoming. So if you have any questions, post it on Reddit or ask on YouTube. Somebody always has an answer for you. All that being said, the GPU market currently is still not great. So maybe, at least in today's market, it might be cheaper to buy a pre-built, or maybe not. But if you do decide to buy a pre-built gaming computer, check out the link in the description. It'll take you to a local builder here in Virginia. Check to see if they got something for you.